Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cancel the Thumbtack account. Now if you want to cancel the Thumbtack account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to cancel a Thumbtack account, which is a very easy step, you just need to make sure to watch the video till the very end. The first thing and the basic step will be to install the Thumbtack app on a device. So if you don't know where to install it from, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Thumbtack app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Thumbtack, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar, up taskbar, as well as the home screen itself. Now to cancel a Thumbtack account, you just need to click on the profile icon, which is at the very top right. So this is a profile icon where you'll see the option of account, notifications, help, and all of it. So click on the option of account, which is at the very top, and under this page you'll see the option of change password, edit phone number, edit payment method, or deactivate account or delete my account data. So click on the option of delete my account data, and this takes you to the another page of Thumbtack where you will see the option of data retrieval or deletion request. Now you need to enter the email address which you have used with Thumbtack, and you need to simply agree to the terms and condition. And it says that for the pros that are using the Thumbtack, it takes up to 45 days to delete your account. So click on the option of confirm, and your account will be in the schedule for deletion, and your account will be permanently deleted after 45 days. So that's it. That's how you can cancel a Thumbtack account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.